Rajasthan, the land of Maharajas, evokes images of grandeur and vibrant culture. Amidst its sprawling deserts and majestic forts lies Lachhmangarh, a town tucked away in the Sikar district. This hidden gem holds a captivating history and breathtaking landscapes. Lachhmangarh's allure lies in its ability to transport you back in time. Lachhmangarh was founded in 1793 AD by Maharaja Lakshman Singh of Sikar. The town gets its name from its founder. It became a thriving center of trade and commerce. Its strategic location along ancient trade routes added to its prominence. Today, Lachhmangarh offers a unique blend of history, spirituality, and natural beauty. The town is dominated by the imposing Lachhmangarh Fort. This architectural marvel sits atop a hillock. It offers panoramic views of the surrounding Aravalli Hills. The town is also home to ancient temples and vibrant markets. These offer a glimpse into the local way of life. Lachhmangarh's charm lies in its serene ambience. The town provides a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you are a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or a spiritual seeker, Lachhmangarh has something to offer everyone. Perched atop a rugged hill, the Lachhmangarh Fort stands as a testament to the town's glorious past. This magnificent structure, built in the 18th century, is a masterpiece of Rajput military architecture. The fort is a labyrinth of palaces, courtyards, temples, and secret passages. Each corner whispers tales of valor and grandeur. The fort's massive sandstone walls rise high above the town. The walls encircle the entire complex, creating an imposing aura. Intricate carvings and detailed frescoes adorn the walls of the palaces within. These decorations provide a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the erstwhile rulers. The fort's strategic location offered a vantage point. It allowed rulers to keep a watchful eye on the surrounding plains. Several cannons still stand guard, a reminder of the fort's defensive significance. The fort has witnessed numerous battles and sieges. It has stood the test of time, its walls bearing witness to the ebb and flow of history. Today, the Lachhmangarh Fort has been transformed into a heritage hotel. It allows visitors to step back in time. Guests can experience the royal lifestyle of the Rajput kings. The fort's timeless beauty and rich history make it the crown jewel of Lachhmangarh. Stepping into the Lachhmangarh Fort is like entering a bygone era. The fort is a treasure trove of architectural wonders. Each turn reveals something new and awe-inspiring. The main entrance, known as the Suraj Pol or Sun Gate, leads into a vast courtyard. This courtyard is surrounded by exquisitely carved balconies and majestic arches. Among the most impressive structures within the fort is the Sheesh Mahal. This palace gets its name from the intricate mirror work that adorns its walls and ceilings. The play of light on the countless mirrors creates a mesmerizing effect. It transports visitors to a world of enchantment. The fort also houses a number of temples. These temples are dedicated to various deities. The most prominent among them is the Lakshmi Narayan Temple. The temple is known for its beautiful sculptures and peaceful ambience. The sound of temple bells and the fragrance of incense fill the air, creating a spiritual aura. From the fort's ramparts, visitors are treated to breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding Aravalli Hills. The vast expanse of rolling hills, dotted with ancient temples and verdant forests, is a sight to behold. The view is especially captivating at sunset. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues. Section 4. Adventures in the Aravalli Hills, nature's playground. The Aravalli Hills, one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world, form a picturesque backdrop to Lachhmangarh. These hills, with their rugged beauty and ancient charm, have stood the test of time, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. These ancient hills offer a serene escape for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. The tranquility of the landscape, combined with the thrill of exploration, makes it a perfect destination for those looking to reconnect with nature. The hills are crisscrossed by numerous trails. Each path offers its own unique experience, winding through different terrains and showcasing the diverse beauty of the region. These trails wind their way through dense forests, rocky outcrops, and hidden waterfalls. The journey through these trails is as rewarding as the destination, with each turn revealing a new facet of the hill's natural splendor. Hiking and trekking are popular activities in the Aravalli Hills. The varied landscape provides ample opportunities for both beginners and seasoned hikers to challenge themselves and enjoy the great outdoors. The trails range in difficulty from easy to challenging. Whether you're looking for a leisurely walk or a strenuous hike, there's a trail that suits your level of fitness and adventure. There are paths for all levels of fitness. Families, solo adventurers, and groups of friends can all find a trail that matches their pace and preference. As you ascend, the air becomes cooler and fresher, and the views become increasingly spectacular. The higher you climb, the more breathtaking the panorama, with sweeping vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. Keep an eye out for the diverse flora and fauna that call these hills home. From vibrant wildflowers to elusive wildlife, the Aravalli Hills are teeming with life, offering a rich tapestry of natural wonders. For those seeking a more adventurous experience, rock climbing and rappelling opportunities abound in the Aravalli Hills. The rugged cliffs and rocky outcrops provide the perfect playground for thrill seekers. The rugged terrain provides a natural playground for thrill seekers. The challenge of navigating these rocky landscapes adds an extra layer of excitement to any adventure. Several adventure tourism operators offer guided tours and equipment rentals. These services ensure that even first-time adventurers can safely enjoy the thrills of the Aravalli Hills. These tours ensure a safe and memorable experience. With professional guides and proper safety measures, you can focus on enjoying the adventure without any worries. The hills are also home to a number of ancient temples and ruins. These historical structures offer a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of the region. These structures add an element of historical intrigue to your explorations. Walking among the ruins, you can almost feel the echoes of the past, adding depth to your adventure. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or a glimpse into the past, the Aravalli Hills offer a unique and unforgettable experience. The blend of natural beauty, thrilling activities, and historical significance makes it a destination like no other. Section 5. Seeking Solace at Mansadevi Temple. A spiritual retreat. Nestled amidst the serene Aravalli Hills, just a short distance from Lachhmangarh, lies the Mansadevi Temple. This sacred site is not just a place of worship, but a sanctuary for those seeking peace and spiritual rejuvenation. This ancient temple is dedicated to Mansadevi, a Hindu goddess associated with snakes, fertility, and protection from misfortune. The deity is revered by many who believe in her power to ward off evil and bring prosperity. The temple is a popular pilgrimage site, drawing thousands of devotees each year. It is a place where faith and tradition come alive, creating a vibrant and dynamic atmosphere. It attracts devotees from far and wide, each bringing their own hopes, prayers, and offerings. The journey to the temple is seen as a pilgrimage of faith and devotion. People come seeking blessings and solace, hoping to find answers to their prayers and relief from their troubles. The temple serves as a beacon of hope for many. The temple is situated on a hilltop, offering a majestic view of the surrounding landscape. The elevation adds to the temple's aura, making it a prominent landmark. It is reachable by a flight of stairs, which symbolize the spiritual ascent one undertakes to reach the divine. The climb, though slightly challenging, is a journey of faith and determination. The climb, though slightly challenging, is well worth the effort. Each step brings you closer to the divine, and the sense of accomplishment upon reaching the top is unparalleled. The panoramic views from the top are simply breathtaking. The sight of the lush green hills and the expansive sky creates a sense of tranquility and awe. The temple itself is an architectural marvel, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of the region. Its design reflects the traditional craftsmanship and artistic excellence of ancient times. It features intricate carvings and colorful decorations that tell stories of mythology and devotion. Each detail is a testament to the skill and dedication of the artisans who built it. The atmosphere inside the temple is charged with spirituality. The energy of the devotees, combined with the sacredness of the place, creates a powerful and moving experience. The air is thick with the scent of incense, adding to the sensory experience. The fragrance is believed to purify the surroundings and elevate the spirit. The The sound of chanting and temple bells creates an ethereal ambience. These sounds resonate with the soul, bringing a sense of peace and connection to the divine. Devotees offer prayers and perform rituals with utmost devotion. Each ritual is a symbolic act of faith meant to honor the goddess and seek her blessings. They believe in the goddess's power to fulfill their wishes. The faith of the devotees is palpable, and their prayers are filled with hope and sincerity. The Mansa Devi temple offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It is a place where one can find solace and reconnect with their inner self. It is a place where you can connect with your inner self and find peace. The tranquil surroundings and the spiritual energy make it an ideal spot for meditation and reflection. Whether you are a devout Hindu or simply seeking a moment of tranquility, a visit to this ancient temple is a truly enriching experience. It offers a unique blend of spirituality, culture, and natural beauty that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Section 6. The revered Raghunathji Mandir, an architectural marvel. Lachhmangarh is home not only to ancient forts and serene temples, but also to architectural marvels that reflect the town's rich cultural heritage. The town's landscape is dotted with historical structures that tell stories of a bygone era, each edifice a piece of the intricate mosaic that forms Lachhmangarh's identity. Among these treasures is the Raghunathji Mandir, a temple dedicated to Lord Rama, a revered deity in Hinduism. This temple is not just a place of worship, but a symbol of the town's spiritual and cultural ethos. The temple stands as a testament to the town's devotion and architectural prowess. Its grandeur and intricate design reflect the skill and dedication of the artisans who built it. Built in the traditional Haveli style of architecture, the Raghunathji Mandir is a visual delight. The Haveli style, known for its opulent and detailed design, adds a unique charm to the temple, making it stand out among other structures in the region. Its exterior is adorned with intricate carvings, delicate jalis, and colorful frescoes depicting scenes from Hindu mythology. Each carving and fresco tells a story, inviting visitors to delve deeper into the rich tapestry of Hindu lore. As you enter the temple, you are greeted by a sense of peace and serenity. The calm atmosphere inside the temple provides a stark contrast to the bustling life outside, offering a sanctuary for reflection and prayer. The main prayer hall of the temple houses a beautifully crafted idol of Lord Rama, his consort Sita, and his brother Lachhmanah. The idol is a focal point of devotion, drawing worshippers from near and far. The idol, adorned with jewels and fine clothing, is a sight to behold. The intricate detailing of the idol's attire and the precious stones used in its decoration reflect the deep reverence and love the devotees have for their deity. The air is thick with the fragrance of incense and the sound of devotional songs. These sensory elements create an immersive experience, enhancing the spiritual ambience of the temple. Devotees gather here to offer their prayers and seek blessings. The temple serves as a communal space where people come together in their shared faith and devotion. The Raghunathji Mandir is not just a place of worship, but also a center of cultural and social life in Lachhmangarh. It hosts various events and activities that foster a sense of community and belonging among the residents. The temple hosts various religious festivals and celebrations throughout the year. These events are marked by vibrant decorations, traditional music and dance, bringing the temple to life with color and energy. These events bring the community together in a spirit of joy and devotion. They provide an opportunity for people to connect, celebrate their shared heritage, and strengthen their communal bonds.